please help them get the students their best education.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम मरګرو ما په پښتو خبرې کړې په اردو کې مې خبرې وکړې کو هغه خلکه چې کوم د دې ملک نه دي د پاکستان نه دي نو هغوی دپاره زه په انګلیش کې خبرې کول غواړم چونکې انګلیش ډېر وایډلی سپوکن لینګویج ده نو دا به ډېر زیاته ښکول غواړي. ګډ مارننګ السلام علیکم. My name is Mohammed Abubakar Bakhtiar Khan. I'm here at a madrasa that hasn't been opened from 2 years. That is being opened now, but they aren't having the facilities to make the students get the best education. They're trying to get the facilities from you guys. I would like all of you to help them to make the students learn better. There are no schools in this place. This is the only one. This is a work of good deeds. This would help you in your afterlife, not just in this life. If you do this in your living while you're living, so this good deed would help you in your afterlife. Still, every student studying here, the good deeds of him comes to you. So please donate here. Please help them get the students their best education. This is a really good way. Please help children that are orphan. Many orphan kids can't study, can't play, can't have the education like you. So please think about them and provide them the best educations. Give them donations so the orphans can can go at their peak and study the best. Inshallah, I'll meet you in another interview. Jazakallah.